Hey, what's going on, guys? Thought I'd show you a quick little problem here on a lot of vehicles. If you got your brake lights that are saying stuck on, and you've checked your fuse, and obviously your fuse is good because your brake lights are on, you can't figure out why won't go off, your brake light switch is bad. The bushing that goes on the pedal rod assembly is right there. You can see that. It's right there on the pedal rod, and it presses against the switch. That bushing breaks out and goes bad over time. It dry rots because it's rubber. The bushing right there. Well, when it goes bad, it pops out of there because it's dry rotted. Then it releases that switch and causes your brake lights to come on, just like you would when you press your brake pedal. When the bushing's not in there, your brake pedal releases back and it can't press the switch in. So then your brake lights are on. Not only will it kill your battery, but also in an emergency situation trying to drive, it's a safety issue when you got other motorists around you and your brake lights are on. They're thinking you're locking up your brakes in an emergency situation. So yeah, that's why your brake lights will be stuck on in your vehicle. Some vehicles has that bushing, other ones it just got that threaded nut right there, and you adjust the whole switch assembly up against the pedal rod. But on this particular model, it's got a hole in the pedal rod with a rubber bushing that goes in it, and you can hear it releasing the switch. You can hear it clicking if you listen. So yeah, that's why your brake lights are stuck on when you're driving down the road. Hopefully y'all find this useful and helpful. Y'all have a great day.